안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요?
제 이름은 최서윤이에요.
저는 게라지예요. 만나서 반가워요.
네, 반가워요. 게르하드 씨는 어느 나라 사람이에요?
저는 오스트리아 사람이에요. 지은 씨는요?
한국 사람이에요.
직업이 뭐예요?
대학생이에요. 게르하드 씨는 직업이 뭐예요?
토까지예요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
한국어 선생님 장현옥이에요.
게라지예요. In our previous lessons, we learned how to introduce others using 여기는 for casual introductions and 이분은 for introducing respected individuals.
Yes. And we also learned how to use 우리 instead of 제 when referring to family members or respected people. Today, we are going to learn how to ask questions during introductions. Specifically, how to ask for someone's name.
So how do we ask what is your name in Korean?
We say, 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요?
게라지예요. 이름이 뭐예요?
Let's break it down. 이름 means name. 이 is the subject particle attached to 이름. 뭐 means what. 예요 is the polite form of to be, used after vowel.
So 이름이 뭐예요? Literally means name plus subject particle. What is?
Yes.
What is your name?
이름이 뭐예요? You might remember that we learned 은는 as topic particles in previous lessons. In this question, we use the subject particle 이가 with the subject of the question, the name. 이 is used after a noun ending with a consonant, 받침. 가 is used after a noun ending with a vowel.
Since 이름 ends with the consonant m, we add e to make it 이름이, name plus subject marking particle. In earlier lessons, we used 는 with 저는, I plus topic marking particle when introducing ourselves. Why do we use 이가 here?
Good question. In Korean, when asking questions, especially about new or unknown information, we most often use the subject particle 이가. It marks the subject that we are inquiring about.
So in 이름이 뭐예요? We are specifically asking about the subject name. Name is the subject, hence we use 이.
Now let's learn how to answer the question. 이름이 뭐예요?
I guess we can say 저는 게르하드예요.
Exactly. Alternatively, you can say 제 이름은 게르하드예요.
제 이름은 게르하드예요.
My name is Gerhard.
We already learned 제 before. 제 is mine. 이름은 name. 이름이 뭐예요?
제 이름은 최서윤이에요. Let's break it down. 제 이름은 게르하드예요. 제 is the polite possessive pronoun, meaning my. 이름 means name. 은 is the topic particle used after a consonant. 게르하드예요 means is Gerhard. So, 제 이름은 게르하드예요. Literally means my name is Gerhard. Notice that in the answer, we use the topic particle 는. This is because the topic my name has been introduced in the question and we are providing information about it.
So we use 는 in answers because the topic, in our case, 이름, the name, is already known or has been mentioned. It helps to think of 는 as marking known or established information. Understanding particles like 이가 and 는 is crucial in Korean as they help convey the flow of information and the focus of the sentence. But as we mentioned many times before, for now, we only learn certain patterns. So here is another use case for 는. We learned that 은는 is used in introductions. It's used when defining something, defining our name when we introduce ourselves, our profession, and where we are from, for example. That's what we did so far. 은는 is also used in answers. The question uses 이가, answer uses 은는. And how do we ask someone about their occupation, about their profession in Korean?
We say 직업이 뭐예요?
직업이 뭐예요? 서연 씨는 직업이 뭐예요?
대학생이에요. 게르하드 씨는 직업이 뭐예요?
토가이드예요.
Let's break it down. 직업이 뭐예요? 직업 means occupation or job. E is the subject particle since 직업 ends with a consonant V. 뭐예요 is what is it? 직업이 뭐예요? So 직업이 뭐예요 means what is your occupation? 게르하드 씨,
네,
직업이 뭐예요?
저는 토가이드예요.
You can say also 제 직업은 투어 가이드예요.
My job is tour guide.
Yes.
Same as 제 이름은 게르하드예요. I can say 제 직업은 tour guide예요.
저는 or 제 직업은 투어 가이드예요.
Notice how we use 은 with 직업 because 직업 has 받침 b and 은는 is used for answers.
Next, let's learn how to ask about someone's nationality.
How do you say which country are you from or what is your nationality in Korean?
We ask 어느 나라 사람이에요?
어느 나라 사람이에요?
게르하드 씨는 어느 나라 사람이에요?
저는 오스트리아 사람이에요. 서연 씨는 어느 나라 사람이에요?
한국 사람이에요.
한국 사람.
Let's break it down. 어느 나라 사람이에요? 어느 means which, 나라 means country, 사람 means person. 이에요 is the polite form of to be used after a consonant, 무. 어느 나라 사람이에요? The way we ask about someone's nationality is different from English. In Korean, we literally ask, which country's person are you? 어느 나라 사람이에요? 게르하드 씨,
네,
어느 나라 사람이에요?
저는 오스트리아 사람이에요.
어느 나라 사람이에요? 저는 오스트리아 사람이에요.
선생님,
네,
어느 나라 사람이에요?
저는 한국 사람이에요.
Are you like me wondering why the sentence structure in sentences with more and sentences with ohne is different? If so, don't worry. We have a lesson planned for a much later date. Lesson number 42 will be all about Korean question words. So subscribe to the channel and let's continue.
서연 씨,
네,
웨이 씨는 어느 나라 사람이에요?
웨이 씨는 중국 사람이에요.
중국 사람. 웨이 씨는 직업이 뭐예요?
연구원이에요.
연구원이요.
Now you can not only introduce yourself, but also ask others about their name, occupation, and nationality. Pay attention to the use of the particles 이가 in questions and 는 in answers, as they help indicate the flow of new and known information.
Thank you all for joining us today.
Keep practicing and we will see you in the next lesson.
고맙습니다. 안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 계세요.